Feminine Fridays, where I get the opportunity to celebrate you as the fierce, intentional, resilient, and empowered woman that you are. Why Friday? Because Friday is named after the goddess Frigg. It's the only day of the week named after a goddess. It is the day of the week that we honor the divine feminine, and together we can rise from the ashes of our own pain and trauma and disappointments as women by tapping into our feminine fire to live a fierce and phenomenal life. Today I want to talk to you about resolutions as we go into the new year. Resolutions don't seem to work because they just become a list of things to do. They're not really something that we're totally committed to. Well, for me, I decided enough is enough. I wanted to re-solution my life. What is a re-solution? A re-solution is when you decide you are going to come up with a new solution on how you can commit to the things that you want to make happen in your life in the new year and beyond. A solution is creating a plan, not just a list. It is creating a plan. For example, one of my resolutions is to lose 10 pounds, and it's always on my list every year, lose more weight. But did I have a plan? No. There was no plan to lose weight. No diet plan, no workout plan, no plan. As soon as I created a solution to that particular thing on my list for the new year to lose weight, my solution, buy a gym membership. My solution, get a gym partner. My solution, commit to going to the gym so many days per week. My solution, a diet plan. So your solution is having a plan. If you're just going to make a new list of things that you want to happen for you in your new year, then you're not going to manifest for you until you commit to a solution, a re-solution, not a resolution, a re-solution, so that you can create a plan for whatever it is that you want to manifest in your new year. And for those of you ladies that want to commit to a new solution for your life, I want to invite you to work with me in a 90-minute free session that I will show you how to take the next steps to having the right solution for your experience in this new year. Just go to mycoachdiva.com. That's mycoachdiva.com. And I will see you next Friday at the next episode of Fierce Feminine Fridays. Love and fire.